Rivett 1020F lathe, and this is absolutely in beautiful condition. It has original paint, which makes it extremely rare. The F is the bigger model, so they had the S, which was first, and then the F came out later. The F has more height between the spindle nose and the bed, so it's a little bit more workspace to work with. Made by Rivett. And then this one was produced in 1964. I'll put a picture of this in case it doesn't come out on the film. I have a Solgren chuck on there right now for 5C collets. That will come with the lathe. And then also with the lathe I have two large chucks. One looks like about a 10-inch and an 8-inch. And then the tailstock is also in a box. And there's two faceplates as well. So you're getting quite a bit of tooling with it. Also I have collets by 1/32. There are 6R Rivett collets in 1/32. It's missing the 1/32 one, but it has all the 32 degrees all the way up to 1 3/32 of an inch. So you can put some pretty good sized stuff through this. Also has a collet drawbar, so you can take and use the collets. You can see the controls in this. This has a tachometer on it. This is where you take and you change between threading and feeding. Here you got two back gears. You can cut anywhere from 1 to 240 threads per inch, so you can make any type of bar. This came from a gunsmith shop. These are probably the most desirable lathe on the market. These way outweigh any Monarch 10EE or any of those other lathes that are very high priced. They didn't make a lot of these. They made about 500 of them. And so finding one that's in original condition like this with the original paint is amazing. So there's your threading ranges, and then you have left and right hand threads. You have the different back gear settings, and then you just match this up. Then you have its variable speed, so it works with a belt drive, and so you just can adjust it up and down. Also has braking. Here's how you put it in back gear or open belt. It's a very simple lathe to use. It would take you just a few minutes to get ready to use it. And then this one has the tool tray on top, and that's the F models came with the tool tray. Everything's in very nice shape. The ways are like perfect. Everything is so tight. I mean, it's just, there's no play in anything. There is one little chip here on the edge, which would be like amazing that there's only that in this whole lathe as far as anything that's a mark on it. Let's fire it up. We just push this button right here for start. And you can see the motor is now running at about 500 RPM. And we're in open belt right now. So I have this set for feeding, and I have this set for open belt. So we just take and push it over, and now the lathe is moving. Pretty simple deal. We'll take and we'll stop that. So all we got to do is move that lever back to the middle and it breaks. And then let's take and you turn this lever here, and this will take and lock it in. So now you can see all the gearing down there is running. So what that does is it runs all this stuff. So we want to take and we want to move that way, and we want to take and move this. So you can see how everything works perfectly on this, and just a beautiful, beautiful lathe the way it runs. Super tight, super clean, and excellent condition. So we can go and we can do that. Here's the threading dial over here. You can see that spinning around. Very easy to do threading on this lathe. Super clean, super nice machine. If you get it, I'm sure you're going to love it. Once again, these older machines are so desirable and getting so hard to find, and this one's in just fantastic shape. So good luck. See how slow it is, and then the oil level came right back up because it's running the oil through the system. So the oil level went down when I was running because there's just tons of gearing inside up in the top here. and then it just lubricates the gears. I took the top plate off, inspected everything inside, everything looks great. So great machine. Come out and take a look. I'm sure you're going to love it.